Dear students, our today topic is arithmetic mean. If A, B are in arithmetic progression, then middle term is said to be arithmetic mean. Since A, B are in arithmetic progression, then difference of two consecutive terms are same. A minus A equal to B minus A. Minus A transpose to right side and small minus A transpose to left side. 2A equal to A plus B. A is equal to A plus B by 2. This is the formula for arithmetic mean. Thus, arithmetic mean of any two quantities is equal to half of the sum of those quantities. Exercise 2, question number 2. Find the arithmetic mean of x square plus 3xy and y square minus 3xy. Solution 2. Arithmetic mean is equal to x square plus 3xy plus y square minus 3xy upon 2 plus 3xy minus 3xy cancel each other, x square plus y square upon 2. Answer. Question number 4. Arithmetic mean and sum of square of two numbers are 6 and 90. Find the numbers. Solution 4. Let the required numbers are A and B. Then, according to the question, A plus B upon 2 is equal to 6, implies that A plus B, 2 transpose to right side, 2 6 are 2 multiplied by 6, 12, and A square plus B square is equal to 90. From equation 1, B is equal to 12 minus A transpose to right side. Putting value of B in equation 2, we have A square 12 minus A whole square equal to 90. A square plus 144 minus 24A plus A square equal to 90. A square plus A square 2A square plus 144 minus 24A, 94 transpose to left side. 2A square minus 24A, 144 minus 90 is 54. Dividing by 2. A square minus 12A plus 27 is equal to 0. A square minus 3A minus 9a plus 27 equal to 0. A common, a minus 3 minus 9 common, a minus 3 is equal to 0. A minus 3 common. A minus 9. A minus 9 equal to 0. A minus 3 equal to 0 or a minus 9 equal to 0. A is equal to 3 or a equal to 9. If a equal to 3, then b is equal to 12 minus 3 equal to 9. If a equal to 9, then b equal to 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Thus, the required numbers are 3 and 9. Question number 5. Form an arithmetic progression by inserting 6 terms between minus 4 and 10. Let terms between minus 4 and 10 are a1, a2, a3, a4, a5 and a6. Then minus 4, a1, a2, a3, a4, a5, a6, 10 are in arithmetic progression. First term a minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the term 10, let the common difference is d. At term equal to 10. A plus 8 minus 1 into d is equal to 10. Using formula, nth term a plus n minus 1 into d. A minus 4 plus 7 d equal to 10. 7d is equal to 10 minus 4 transpose to right side. 7d equal to 14. D is equal to 14 upon 7 is equal to 2. Therefore, a1 equal to a plus d minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2. a2 a plus 2d minus 4 plus 2 multiplied by 2 minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. a3 a plus 3d plus 3 multiplied by 2 minus 4 plus 6 is equal to 2. a4 a plus 4d minus 4 plus 4 multiplied by 2 minus 4 plus 8 is equal to 4. a5 a plus 5d minus 4 plus 5 multiplied by 2 minus 4 plus 10 6. A plus 6d minus 4 plus 6 multiplied by 2 minus 4 plus 12 is equal to 8. Thus, 6 terms between -4 and 10 are -2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Which form arithmetic progression -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Question number 7. If in an arithmetic progression the mean of pth and qth term is equal to mean of rth and th term, then prove that p plus q is equal to r plus s. Solution 7. Let the first term is a and common difference is d. Then fifth term a plus p minus 1 into d. Qth term a plus q minus 1 into d. Rth term a plus r minus 1 into d. Sth term a plus s minus 1 into d. As per question, arithmetic mean of pth term and qth term is equal to arithmetic mean of rth term and sth term. Pth term plus qth term upon 2 is equal to rth term plus sth term upon 2. A plus p minus 1 into d plus a plus q minus 1 into d upon 2 is equal to a plus r minus 1 into d plus a plus s minus 1 into d upon 2. If 2 transpose to right side, multiply 2 to cancel. A plus a, 2a and d common, p minus 1 plus q minus 1 d. A plus a, 2a, r minus 1, s minus 1, d common. If 2a transpose to right side, 2a minus 2a cancel. P plus q minus 2d is equal to r plus s minus 2d. D transpose right side upon d, dd cancel. P plus q minus 2 r plus s minus 2. Minus 2 cancel. P plus q is equal to r plus s. Proved. Question 8. N terms lie between 7 and 49 in an arithmetic progression. If a ratio of the fourth terms and n minus second is 5:4, then find the value of n. solution 8. Let A1, A2, A3, A4, An are n terms. Then 7, A1, A2, A3, An 49 are in arithmetic progression. Here first term 7 and n plus 2 term 49. Let the common difference is D. A plus n plus 2 minus 1 into D is equal to 49. A 7 n plus 1 D 49 n plus 1 D 49 minus 7 n plus 1 D 42 D is equal to 42 upon n plus 1, equation number 1. According to the question, the ratio of fourth term, first, second, third, fourth term and n minus 2, a n minus 2 is equal to 5 upon 4. A plus 4d upon a plus n minus 2 5 upon 4. 4 into 4 transpose to left side. A plus 4d is equal to a plus n minus 2d transpose to right side. For a 16d is equal to 5a plus 5n minus 2 into d. 5n minus 2d transpose to left side. 4a transpose to right side. D common. 16 minus 5n minus 2 a. 16 minus 5 into n 5n and minus 5 into minus 2 plus 10. 16 plus 10 26 minus 5n d is equal to a. Putting the value of d and a. D from 1 and a is 7. 26 minus 5n into 42 upon n plus 1 is equal to 7. (42) transpose to left side and n plus 1 transpose to right side. 7 6 are 42. 26 6 are 156. 5 multiplied by 6, 30n, n plus 1. minus 30n plus n transpose to left side, 156 transpose to right side. Minus 31n is equal to minus 155. N is equal to minus 155 upon minus 31. Minus minus cancel. 31 5s are 155. Thus, value of n is 5. Thanks for watching my video.